Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram account privacy and login security. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable privacy settings on your Instagram account, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main feed, locate and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, find the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom of the list. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Here, you will see the option to switch your account to private. Toggle the private account switch to the right to enable this feature. Now, only your approved followers will be able to see your posts and stories. Next, let's enhance your login security. Return to the main Settings menu by tapping the back arrow. Select Security from the list. Under the Security settings, look for Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to set it up for added protection. Choose your preferred method for receiving login codes, either through text messages or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set it up based on your selection. Once completed, Two-Factor Authentication will help secure your account against unauthorized logins. Remember to review your login activity regularly for any suspicious activity. That's it. Your Instagram account is now more secure and private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.